What is he doing?
Hey, it's okay. It's okay. I'm not one of them.
What's he thinking? Stop the fight.
No! I need you all to see this. They're not what we think they are. We don't have to kill them.
I said stop the fight! Out of my way! This way! Night Fury!
All right, Tooth, let's go. Get out of here. Go, go! No, Dad! Dad, he won't hurt you! Don't make it worse! Toothless, stop! No. No! Oh, no, please, just don't hurt him. Please don't hurt him.
Put it with the others.